Request. I took the lady with her
two
children.
kids.
Yes.
Where did you bring her?
Here.
Where is she?
She went to I don't know. She was walking over there.
She just walked over there?
Yeah, over there.
Were you just in an Uber with your two kids?
Okay, but why aren't you doing that?
Because you just left your kids with an Uber and we're all over town looking for you.
My phone died.
It doesn't matter.
I don't know what's going on.
What's going on is you deserted your kids for 2 hours.
She's dragging me.
Yep, what you just heard and seen is real. It happened. Yo, welcome to Logic on Steroids. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video for no reason at all. Don't forget to support this channel by, hitting the thanks button right here. We'd appreciate that. Also, hype this video up. Let this go on the algorithm. Let people know about this video right here. Question for today, so we can go into this damn video. What's a good reason why a parent should leave their child alone with a total stranger? Give me the best reason possible, because it don't make no damn sense. Write it in the comments. I'm reading comments. Top answer get pinned. Let's get into the video.
Are you ready?
What's going on?
Good evening. I know it's right. So a request. I took the lady with her
two
children.
kids?
Yes.
From where? In Tamarack?
I don't know exactly the address really.
But on the other,
Yeah.
not over here, but
No. Because
across commercial.
Because the lady said give me a 2 minute around. Okay, let me
What's up, guys?
I'm gonna just let y'all know now. And this is Broward County. You know what I'm saying? So this is home of fentanyl, flocka, and shit like that. So hopefully this mother or parent is not under any the influence or trying to get some drugs.
So, I say, no, Leo. The address, going. Leo, no, the GPS at the left. No, please, lady, you are wrong. Please. No, please, cancel. I give you extra money.
Oh, so she's begging him to watch the child for a minute. She even pay him a little more. He's saying he don't want to do it. Man, you took the money.
Where did you bring her?
Here.
Where is she?
She went to I don't know. She was walking over there. I think all is warehouse.
She just walked over there?
Yeah, over there between the cars. I was calling her. She was answer me. I'm okay. I'm back. I'm coming. Also, look, Emily. How many calls? 12 calls.
What does she look like?
It's a petite girls,
Okay.
like a Spanish.
Okay.
Spanish. We have the dresses like a brown one beige.
Okay.
Hot. So always I send a message to her.
And you've been here for how long?
More than 2 hours.
Right here.
Yes. I don't move because I have
Yeah.
So, Emily, please come to pick up your children. They are asking for you. I send because she is wrong. I think maybe she don't know where.
Yeah.
Emily, I will call the police. I have to leave. Please answer the phone.
Who's honking the goddamn horn?
Nothing. Look.
And you saw her walk this way?
Yeah, walk this way.
In the park behind the trucks?
No. I don't move right here because.
Yeah. No, but where you saw
That's
her walk,
probably the kid playing in the car.
Yeah, I think
that way.
Yes.
And then you didn't see her when she made the left.
I draw for this
Yeah.
way.
And you didn't see nothing.
Nothing.
You said you think she was drunk?
She's
Okay. What's up, guys?
She left it smell.
Yeah, so she was under the influence.
She was wrong. I saw her. I told her, let me take you home.
Yeah.
No. Please. Let me take you home with babies.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Please. Cancel.
Oh, guys. He was able to explain it to me, but about 2 hours ago, or a little bit more now, he picked some lady up out of Tamarack.
Yeah, because took the trip maybe 8:20.
Yeah.
Something. Yes.
She gave him an address. She kept telling him deviating from what the GPS was saying.
Or it could just be a dude she's interested in and trying to get some D.
So just cancel the ride. I'll give you extra cash.
Like
Give
in
him
that
like
pipe.
$10, and tells him pretty much ends up here. She gets out of the car, walks through the lot, disappears. Appears to be intoxicated. She was drinking out of a cup. You smell remnants of rum. No clue where she is right now. Just left the kids. Obviously, she doesn't know this gentleman. He's just an Uber driver, and walked off.
After searching nearby bars, the woman was located.
Take your hands out your pockets.
Wow.
You have 2 kids? Were you just in an Uber with your 2 kids? Yeah, 5. I'm through 5 with her, just east of the McDonald's in the Publix Plaza off Knockville and Commercial. Just do me a favor, sit down there. Sit down.
Okay, but why are you treating me like that?
Because you just left your kids with an Uber and we're all over town looking for you.
My phone died.
It doesn't matter. Do me a favor and
Listen, your phone died, my ass, because you go backtrack exactly where they dropped you off at. You got found at a bar. Everybody got a phone over there.
Down.
Stop playing.
What's in the backpack? Any weapons or anything like that? Okay, do me a favor, take it off and just set it to the side. Don't go in it. Just set it to the side.
Don't make me feel like
You left your kids for 2 hours. It's been over 2 hours.
What a piece of crap.
Do you know where you left them at? Where did you leave them at? Where were you going? Huh? So you were just gonna leave the Uber and walk home?
not walk home, but my situation is like a little bit complicated.
I understand that, but your number one priority should be your
My
kids.
children, absolutely, 100%. Oh my God, listen, I'm not a criminal, bro. I'm here.
Yo, man, I'm gonna just say this, man. I'm gonna live it. Hey, yo, I've been saying this. God should have a recall for uteruses. Take away them chicks' uterus. I don't know how you could just be this evil to leave your child, that child that's bonded with you already, leave him with a total stranger for what you want to do, the pleasures you want to do. You a piece of crap.
I will cooperate, whatever it is what it is.
They're gonna slap on the wrist.
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
What's your name? It's her.
My name's Emily. How you doing?
Yeah, it's her.
What's going on?
I don't have a car.
Okay.
We're 25. Not a car, what else?
I like to be honest, bro. Like, it is what it is. I don't
Talk
have a
to us.
car. My kids were with me earlier. I got a ride. They did karate over here. I came back. The ride was waiting for me. And I'm here now.
So where are your kids?
With the Uber.
Is there any reason why you just left them?
I didn't leave them.
So explain to me, so your kids were at karate here. From here you guys got in the Uber.
Correct.
Do you remember what color was the car? Do you remember the body style of the car? White car?
No, listen, like, I get a whole bunch of Ubers, Lyfts, all the
Okay, so you guys leave here in the Uber. Where was the destination from here?
home.
Did you at any point tell the Uber driver to go somewhere else, a different route?
My phone died.
Okay, but that's not answering my question. At any point did you tell the Uber driver to deter your route away from your house somewhere else?
No, just my phone was just fucking dead, to be honest with you. I don't mean to like be an asshole or be like mean, but like, yeah, my phone was dead.
Yeah.
But what does that have to do with Uber getting you to your home if he already had your address?
What's in that bag?
Because I don't have my actual phone, I don't have my car, I'm not in control of my situation. And I'm with my kids. Oh God. I don't know what's going on. Oh God.
What's going on is you deserted your kids for 2 hours. That's what's going on.
I'm sorry?
You deserted your kids for 2 hours. That's what's going on.
Listen.
That Uber driver's been sitting with your kids waiting for you.
She's too calm to have not deserted them. She intentionally deserted them because she's too calm. If she accidentally deserted them and was trying her best to get back to them, she would be pissed. She'd be outraged.
could come back for the past 2 hours.
You know what? That sounds like, honestly, like what probably happened. Because I don't have my phone. I just fixed my phone.
Why did you get out of the Uber?
Holy f***. Now let's see which one of these dumbass answers this motherfucker decides to choose.
I'm like a human. Like, listen.
But you're not answering my question. Why did you get out of the Uber?
I get it.
We'll be back on Who Wants to Be a Prisoner right after the break.
She ain't answer your question because she ain't got no time to think. Give us some time to think about a lie.
Listen, like, it's like from morning to nighttime, like, I have to make shit happen for all of them. Because right now I don't have a car, okay? And it sucks. It's not an excuse, but that's me being fucking real, to be honest with you. And it sucks. It sounds stupid, because I should have a car. But yeah, like...
Nigga doesn't watch.
I don't know what else to tell you, to be honest with you. I'm not trying to be anything. I'm like, I'm okay.
So you're saying the reason you left them under the Uber is because you don't have a car?
It's not that I don't have a car, it's just my phone died.
Okay.
There was multiple stops. They were here at the karate place. So they just
Okay.
you know, we're gonna go home. I'm like, it just, I don't know how to even reach Uber guy.
Bitch, you better not cry.
But I my phone
Okay, so I understand and I get that, but I'm having a hard time understanding why you got out of the Uber in the first place. And you're not answering that question for me. Listen, I'm not being an asshole. These are legit answers that we need.
No, those are legit like questionnaires that you should be asking. But listen, I signed them up for karate. I was here. I don't have a car. I requested an Uber.
Okay.
Okay, we were transit to go home. My phone died. There was multiple stops. And unfortunately, yes, my kids stayed in the car with the Uber person.
Were the multiple stops for you, or was the Uber was...
Multiple stops as in like like innocent fucking stops, bro.
You mean like stops that like stop signs and red lights, or he was destination stops where he was picking somebody up or something up?
I'm trying to be an asshole, but bro, why would it be multiple stops at an Uber?
I'm still trying to get to the answer of why you got out of the Uber.
I get it. I'm 100%.
And which way is home? It's that way, isn't it? How did you guys end up all the way over there at 108th and 50th? That's the complete opposite way of where your home is. So if he had no other destinations, what brought you guys over there?
I'm like feeling like, listen, I have not done anything wrong. I have no idea what it is.
Answer the question.
I'm sorry. I get your job, I get your whole persona, I get it. I feel you. 100%.
She's intoxicated.
I just want to see my dad go home.
Hella intoxicated.
And yes, I felt very vulnerable not knowing where the hell my kids were at. Because my phone was dead, I couldn't reach the guy.
And the victim award goes to...
Don't you dare play victim, girl. Your two children are the victim. I hate when they trying to put all the spotlight on them, act like they're the victim. And then I hate when the judges fall for it.
Giving me a ride. And it is what it is. That's the truth. That is the honest truth. Like, that is like as real as I could get, to be honest with you. I don't mean to curse, but it is what it is, bro. I have learned to be honest with my shit. And you know what? Yes, it sucks and I know where my kids are at. My kids are everything to me. My life. I signed them up for karate. I don't have a car. I got picked up for my job. And rides here, there, drop them off. It sucks.
Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. I'm just reading you your rights.
Okay, wait. Am I being arrested right now?
You're not. No. You're not in handcuffs. Nobody's pulled them out. I just have to read you your rights.
Okay.
You're not
going nowhere. She was charged with 2 counts of child abandonment and is awaiting trial.
Yo, listen. We have a cat named Shadow. Shadow had babies. You couldn't grab one of her babies away from her. She'll get up that box, grab it from you, and go back in the box with that goddamn baby. It's a cat. I ain't never seen a mammal or an animal that abandoned their babies like humans do. She should have been on this planet as a turtle, because only turtles will emerge from the sea, lay eggs, get her ass right back in the sea, and get the hell miss and never return, and leave the babies back there behind her to find their goddamn paths to life. But anyways, man, this is for educational purposes, man. Please do not abandon your babies, just in case you forgot. All right, you know what I'm saying? And check this out, you guys.
We appreciate the likes and shares on our Crazy Clock shorts.
Are you ready?
Now you can show support for the Logic on Steroids channel. Just click on our video, then search for the thanks button icon located right along the like and share buttons beneath the video. Hit thanks and support us with whatever you feel can help us elevate to a new level. We appreciate your support and thanks.
Love y'all. Peace.